To find whether you have a maximum or a minimum. This is for Algebra 1, so I'll keep it simple. If we're going to have a maximum, then that means if we have a maximum, we have a parabola that's going to open like this. In this worksheet, every one of these is in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. If we are going to have a maximum, that means we need for a maximum, we need a to be negative. If a is negative, that means you're going to have a parabola that opens downwards. We're going to have a opens downwards parabola. For a minimum, we need a positive a. For a minimum, we need a positive a. If a is positive, then that means the graph will open upwards. And if it opens upwards, then that means the lowest point is called a minimum. If a is negative, that means we're opening down. And if we're opening down, that means the highest point is called a maximum. So in these, if you just look at a, this is going to be a minimum because a is greater than 0. A is positive. Here, a is 1. A is positive. So minimum. Here, negative. If a is negative, we're going to have a maximum. So it's easy to know whether you have a minimum or a maximum, but to find that value, if you're going to find it, then you need to find the vertex. If we're going to find the vertex, it's the same thing as what we did in the last question, which is negative b over 2a, and then you plug that in. So in this one, b is 0 divided by 2 times 2, which is 0. So that means we're just going to plug in 0 for x to get 0. So the vertex for this one is 0, 0. So that means that 0, 0 is the minimum. This one, x equals negative b divided by 2a. So that's 2, a negative negative 2 over 2 times 1, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. Y equals 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 5. 1 minus 2 minus 5, negative 6. So then this is going to be at 1, negative 6 for the minimum. And for the last question, vertex is negative b divided by 2a. Negative 4 divided by 2 times negative 1. Negative 4 over negative 2. X is 2, so y is equal to negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 1. Negative 4 plus 8 minus 1 equals 3. The y is equal to 3, so that means the vertex is at 2, 3. And this isn't just a vertex, this is the maximum.